Hey, I appreciate all the love and support that I got on my previous pickups, my unboxings. So everybody new here, man, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate y'all. But these next few videos that you will see is really what my channel is all about. I definitely try to get the new releases and some of the hype stuff if I like it. But I'm just your average sneaker collector, man, or whatever you want to call it. I like to get what I like. I buy what I like, and I like to get it for the low. So if I can get it for a sale or a steal, I'm on it. So like I said, the next few unboxings or pickup videos definitely what my channel is all about, man. Getting stuff for the low. So this first pair right here, or this first unboxing, I definitely been waiting on these for a good minute. It was one of those shoes that, you know, I wanted, but I was like, I can get them on sale. And definitely, from working in retail for a few years, you kind of can gauge what shoes are going to sell and what shoes won't. And these, they just kept going and going, and I was just waiting to get them for the right price. Whew. Go ahead and break these up. I want to say I paid like $80 for these. Let me go ahead and get them out the box and double check this receipt. I'll be right back. Yeah, we had the Uptempo 96, aka the Pippen, Scottie Pippen, you know, even legendary Bulls finals run, you know, y'all know the story. But this is the copy and paste colorway, I believe. And the official colorway is white, black, and photon dust. And as you can see right here, 89 bucks, man. Well, then with the shipping and everything, of course, you know, it went up. But for 89, and I believe it was like an additional sale as well. Yeah, I think it was an additional sale. It might have been like 83, 84, something. I don't know. Either way, it was definitely cheaper than the 160 retail, I think. I don't know, whatever. But let's go ahead and get into this joint. I don't know what it is about this shoe, but I've wanted these from day one, but I knew I could get them for cheaper. And I'm glad I waited, because for a minute they were like 120, 130. Then they just kept going down, and my size was still sitting, so I just waited patiently, and you know, to get them for 89 or whatever it was out the door, you know, with shipping and all that, man, I couldn't pass up on that. So let's go ahead and get into it. You know, all white leather upper, and you get that infamous Air on the side, which is definitely why this shoe is, you know, as popular as it is, to be honest. Because the shoe is really basic, the material is not that crazy, but you know, to get that big Air, the big letters on the side against that black nubuck for the OG pair is crazy. But this one is different because you get the swoosh covering up, you get that patent leather swoosh covering up the Air on the side, which I thought was a dope touch, definitely different. I'm not a big fan of white shoes, so for me to get these, I really wanted them. Then on the heel, you also get that jeweled swoosh on the back, which is dope. And on the medial side, you get that patch. So you still get the Nike swoosh, but you get a black patch. This is like the craziest Frankenstein looking up-tempo to date, I believe. If I'm mistaken, let me know down in the comments. You know, I don't know everything, so y'all can hit me on something down in the comments. I appreciate you. Comment section always open. Then on the toe, you get that Nike swoosh as well, and this is actually embroidered, stitched in, whatever you want to call it. Pretty dope, man. Then the outsole, get that milky outsole, and depending on how much you wear your shoes, this is definitely gonna be disgusting. Like, definitely don't wear them in the rain if you can help it. Try not to try to keep your feet on the pavement. Like, if you gotta walk in grass, just make sure, you know, it's been pretty dry because you don't want to step in wet grass and all that, because these can get nasty. Like, if y'all know anything about the translucent soles, especially this milky outsole, it can get really ugly if you let it. But then on the insole, you get a pop of color. You get Nike Air, and I don't know, it's something different. I'm not sure if that's like a pack or something. I don't know if that's popping up on the camera, but I was not expecting that. But I did have to get these in a 12.5. I don't know, man. Like I said in my previous video, I'm not sure when this is gonna drop, but when I said it in my phone video, if I can get a 12.5, I'm gonna jump on it. Unless there's a shoe that I know that a 12 is like a little too much room, then a 12.5 would be crazy. But 9 times out of 10, if I can get a 12.5, because they're so rare, I'm copping it. And then on the tongue, you get another embroidered Nike swoosh. Nothing too crazy. I just think it's a clean shoe overall, something different. It's definitely going to be one of those eye catchers when you wear them. A conversation piece for sure. And for the price I paid, it's like, I can't beat it. I'm definitely going to wear these. I'm a fan of the Uptempos anyway. I usually, with these, I like to stick with the OGs. But this one, I had to make an exception for this colorway, man. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And I don't know, a lot of boutiques as of late have had some crazy sales. So if there's like a shoe that you've been waiting on, man, just do your research, do your Googles. Just search them and see who has them, if they have your size, and get them for a good price, man. Like, it's a great time to be a sneakerhead or collector or whatever you want to call yourself. The time is now definitely to buy a lot of stuff that you missed out on or you just been holding out on for a better price. Definitely make that move, man. Appreciate y'all for watching as always.